Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Check out that little sad B-Max there. Let me warm my hands first, so I can grab the sticks. Check, this is actually pretty good, man. Wait, it's not raining. It's a snow falling. Man, the 4-stroke engine turned into 2-stroke. And just now I had this nice crash, I mean this level, and then it fell all the way down. This thing picks up a speed really fast. The autonomous road train at my left, 2 of them parked today. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Hey, out of nowhere raining stopped. It's still very windy, but the raining is stopped. It's really freezing cold out there. But I have got a whooping cough. I can't stay at home. So let's grab our FPV backpack. And man, let's head out for some more FPV whooping. I just realized I know 1 or 2 more good places. Let's take the bike because it's not raining. I'll take the car keys as well, just in case if it is really too cold. Let's get ready. Check out my shoes, muddy and dirty, because I have been whooping the Ishin trash can and crashing it and walking in muddy places to pick it up. The thing is, it's still alive, and we're going to whoop more out of Ishin trash can. We're gonna whoop the FPV's ass today. Gloves, baby, gloves. My R349, just in case I can find a good place to fly non-FPV whoops, you know? Alright, let's go. I know it's crazy, it's really cold, but the place I have scouted is better approached by the bike. It is going to be pretty windy at that spot, but it's worth checking it out. Otherwise, the stadium under the stairs is always available without winds. Oh man, I'm freezing already. I'm going to whoop FPV's ass, but I'm freezing my ass out. Hey, the trike in front of us is also electric. Here's one more tea house, which is really good for FPV whooping, but often people come around here and don't have much pillars for challenge, so we're gonna go ahead a little bit to see if that one tree and one sitting place is more than enough for FPV or not. Aha! See, this is the place. And, well, I think the trash can will handle winds right here. I mean, check it out. This is a really nice place. We have some trees, we have these pagodas, not pagodas, sitting places with the umbrellas, wooden umbrellas on. We have a straight stretch here, but not sure how the trash can will behave with these winds coming here. Let's give it a try anyway. Man, my hands are frozen. I wish I had a heater in my bike. Well, hey, I have got a whooping cough, so I gotta whoop. Let's begin. Let me warm my hands first, so I can grab the sticks. Oh man, I didn't know it was this freezing. Well, hey, I'm setting up. Let's get to... No way, man. Could have fun with this place. But it started raining. Let's head to under the stadium, because there we can fly no matter if it is raining. Alright? Wait! It's not raining! It's the snow falling! Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it get white out, and then it'll be more fun for FPV whoop. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That's nice, man. It's snowing, huh? Okay, let's ride our electric little monster in not raining, in snowfall. I mean, it's not snowfall, it's just little drizzle kind of thing with the raining raindrops turn into ice. Let's go! Boom, 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 Man, the 4-stroke engine turned into 2-stroke. That was nice. Alright, we took a shortcut to stadium. Okay, man. There's nothing wrong with this place. We're gonna have some fun with whooping here. No rain, no winds. Let's have fun. And just now I had this nice crash, and it fell on this. I mean this level, and then it fell all the way down. And lucky me, it was still not upside down, so I was able to actually fly it up again with the battery hanging. Flew it back to me. Alright man, that's enough torture. Actually, FPV bashing, whooping bashing for Ishin trash can. Almost all the battery packs are finished. Mambila, I tried to fly it and had a small crash. The frame is broken again. So I have nothing to fly now. Let's, now before we go home, let me, right now we are on the bike and the snowfall seems to have stopped. Let's go and check out some more FPV places, shall we? And my hands feeling better now, but my feet are completely frozen. I do have one or two more places which can be really nice for FPV whooping, and we're gonna check them out. This place is awesome, man. I mean, this is one of the best FPV whooping places. I think I should actually bring some friends here. I wish I had some friends and we could come and do FPV whooping together. Just now it snowed a little. I mean, the drizzled snow something. I have to be very careful on the road. It could be slippery. So, here we go. See what this place has become. I used to fly early FPV quadcopters here. At my left side, lot of trees, sitting place. See? And a little pond. No. When the batteries goes down on FPV whoops, they just fall for no reason. So pond area is no. But we could always circle around this area if the, things are still alive. I mean, the video feed is still alive. There's some kind of playground at my right. At my left. Really thick trees for FPV whooping at my left here. Okay, at right, these little trees and stones. Nice place, man. And we do have some statues here. In one of my old videos you can watch with my Seeker 450. Here I have statues of Yao Ming, statue of Mao Zedong, statue of Bruce Lee. So this could be a good place to fly FPV whoops. Yeah, see? Good. And this is Chuju Olympics Park. And if you look at my left up there, these Olympic circles, we can use them for FPV whoops, huh? In front of me I used to fly FPV quadcopters. My tilt rotor FPV quadcopter I tested here. I always flew FPV obstacle course freestyling here with that quad. But now it's completely closed. It has become, that arena for, what is those, BB guns, airsoft BB guns. So this is an arena now. Basically you want to check. This is actually pretty good, man. But nobody playing here. It's because in China you will get arrested even if you had an airsoft BB gun. Check out that little sad B-Max there. Oh, it's really sad. Poor B-Max. So yes, I was saying that even the paintball and airsoft guns are banned in China, and you can actually get arrested if you had those guns. Let me tighten the camera mount. It's always getting loose. Okay, so we found one place, Chuju Olympic Parks. And that's gonna be our next FPV whoop venue. This thing picks up a speed really fast. I shouldn't do that today because we have slippery places. Okay, so this is the other place I was talking about. Actually, I wanted to come here today first, but I thought indoor was good because outdoor is raining and thing. See, this is what I'm talking about. This place has this is basketball ground, so we can use these basketball goals, posts or hoops to freestyling around. There's a little cage here as well, and I used to do again my early freestyling FPV here. Here's the rows of the trees here, which is really good to go around and slalom around, you know. It's pretty cold. Check out the autonomous road train at my left. 2 of them parked today. Can we make it? We didn't make it. Man, I gotta enjoy making these sounds by my mouth only. Woohoo! Whoa. Ah. Oh. Eat. Oh. Man, I had some real fun with Ishin trash can. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?